Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the tools: a working PC to make a Windows 7 repair disk and an external drive for backups. Insert the repair DVD or USB and restart the target machine. Press the BIOS key to boot from your media. Once the installer loads, choose Repair Your Computer, not Install. You do that because repair mode isolates startup files and system restore options. Make sure to note any error messages shown on the Windows Error Recovery screen before continuing. Once in System Recovery options, try Startup Repair first. It fixes common boot issues automatically and may complete without further action. If Startup Repair reports problems it cannot fix, open Command Prompt to work manually. You should run bootrex/fixmber, then bootrex/fixboot, and bootrex/rebuild to repair the bootloader. Follow with chkdsk/fc to correct disk errors that block startup. Make sure you wait for each command to finish, and note any reported errors for the next step. After repairing boot files, try System Restore to roll Windows back to a working state. Select a restore point dated before the issue. If BCD entries stayed corrupt, restore a backup BCD or use bcdedit to set correct device and OS device paths. This fixes wrong drive mappings. If Windows still fails to boot, check hardware. Run a memory test and HDD diagnostics because bad RAM or a failing disk often causes recurring error recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.